Hello guys, today I have got the JBL Xtreme 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily use all controls and gestures. So, here as you can see we've got our buttons. These are all buttons that we've got on our speaker. We can start with the multimedia controls. With the plus button we increase the volume level. With the -1 we decrease. With the double click of our play button we can skip the song. With the triple tap on our play button we can go backwards with the song. So if we click this button, of course we can pause and unpause music. With this button we can enable or disable the AuraCast, which is connecting with other devices, other speakers simultaneously. Multi-speaker connection, just something like this. Bluetooth button, you can enter the pairing mode with it. Power button, you can of course power off and on your speaker, and using these two buttons you can these two buttons, the minus and play, you can enable or disable the LED lights. That's it, goodbye.